Good morning, everybody.
You mean afternoon?
Afternoon. Good afternoon, whatever the time you guys are watching the video.
Sorry.
Last week, my snowplow stopped working and I fixed it. But I wanted to do the video so you guys uh, know what to do before take it to the snowplow dealers or the shops, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you guys maybe can save some money like I did. Okay. This was the situation right now. I'm turning to the on position and it's not responding. Okay, I'm gonna turn the truck on. Okay, see, it's not responding. When this one is on, right here lights are green. Lights green mean, and it's not doing it. Okay, so remember that any electrical component or device requires ground and power. Is that understandable?
Yep.
Okay. So, and here I have the connectors. I'm gonna disconnect and check for ground and power. There you go. Okay. As you guys can see, this is a 9-pin connector. The connector on the controller gonna be the male. The other side gonna be the female. Alright. So I have a picture here of the diagram. Okay. So the number one is a black wire and is the power. The number 9 is a brown wire and is the ground. Okay. So looking the connector like that. Okay. See this? This side is different to all the other 3. That visible?
Yep.
Okay. So here is a black wire. Okay. This is the only one. Only black one. This is gonna be the number 1. Gonna be right here. Okay. And here gonna be the brown. This is gonna be the ground and the black one gonna be the power. And my wires right here. This is the power. This is the ground. It's power. I have my test light right here. First thing you guys need to do, make sure that you guys getting ground to the wires you're using to test and power to the other one, and make sure that light is working, because if it's not working, obviously you're not gonna see, guys not gonna be able to diagnose it. Okay, we know that the light's working, we have ground, and I'm gonna leave the test light on the ground side. I'm gonna test the black wire, which is the power. If the test light comes on, that means we have power, and we're not getting any power right there.
Nope.
Okay, so at this time we know that we already have one problem. I'm gonna switch my test light to the power, and I'm gonna test the ground wire. One more time, I'm gonna touch it. If the lights comes on, this means we do have ground. If does not, this means there is another problem. So we do have ground. We're missing the power, right?
Right.
Okay. What I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna put a clip, a pin, and apply the power direct from the battery. From the battery. I'm gonna see what happened. Okay, I'm gonna reconnect the controller right here. Reconnect. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like that for now. Okay, I'm gonna put that pin there, making sure that it's touching the terminal of the black wire. Now, I'm going to apply power. We know this comes from the battery, all right? So, and as you guys can see, it's lighting, right? It's lighting green.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna turn this light off so you guys can see better. See, it's green. If I remove the power, it turns off. And now, I'm gonna try to operate. Plow. Okay. Okay, so it's working now. But this problem is not fixed yet. We're just testing it right now. So we know that the problem is the power. We're not getting power to the controller. So this is not really hard to diagnose because it's only 9 wires. So just follow the harness. I'm gonna go through the firewall to the engine compartment. Okay. So I came over here, follow the harness all the way over here, and this is the relay. All those 4 are the relays for the snowplow. And I found this that was off from the terminal, I would say.
Yep.
Okay. So let me know if the control light's green. Okay.
Okay.
Green. Okay. So okay, it's working now. It's working properly, but it's not fixed properly. I'm gonna show you what I did over there. I'm gonna go back to the engine compartment. Okay. See what I did right here? This wire is supposed to coming up from the bottom.
And not from the side.
Okay. And this should go there, and the relay goes like that to do the contact. But since it's broken and I need this snowplow running, working, so this is what I'm doing. Is that better? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so see, I'm just gonna hook it to the relay terminal into when I get the other relays for the snowplow. I don't think we have dealer around for snowplows, man. So instead of go to the other city, which is like 40 minutes from here, I'm gonna order it online, wait for it, and I'm going to rewire all these parts, or maybe replace the whole harnesses from here to there.
Right.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start the video right here. Hopefully this is helpful for you, and thank you for watching again. Yeah.